Sigger YouTube channel, and right now we are on our website, and I want to show you one indicator that I use as an indicator that usually traders use on stocks. It's a VWAP indicator from Metatrader 4. Actually, this indicator is very interesting. The volume weighted average price indicator shows the average price, current volume, and cumulative volume. Forex traders highly recommend this indicator, which is compatible with Metatrader 4 platform. Here on this red button you can download this indicator. You have a link just below this video. What is the most important thing here? The VWAP the traders usually use when they trade stocks, and it's very easy to indicate, as if you just check screenshot from the chart, it's only one line, below we're undervalued, above we're overvalued any kind of asset. Actually, if we think a little bit what is VWAP is, it's a very simple moving average indicator. It just multiply typical price with volume and then divide with cumulative volume for that day. So this is actually very simple. I made some example how we can calculate on this website. If you just want to check that, you can check just below this. But let me see on the chart. So as I see, it's only one moving average indicator. There is one difference I just want to tell you right now, because I have experience using the various indicators and I made a lot of tests. When you use VWAP on stocks, you can use the version where when you want to calculate the median price, you summarize high, low, close, and divide with free. Actually, in this example, this indicator is doing a little bit different. I just make a sum from the low and high and divide with 2 without the close price. So this little bit tweak is very important because Forex industry is a little bit different and I get better results when I do that. So I use VWAP on this way usually. So I like to use on 1 hour chart. You can use on 5-minute chart. As you can see, this moving average follows the price very, very consistently. And when we think about VWAP on Metatrader 4, I want to tell you one very, very important thing. Expectations should be low, and I will tell you why. Because when we trade the stocks, we know how many stocks were sold or purchased because we can see that volume. When we trade a Forex, we don't know. You don't know how much euros or US dollars exchanged today on every single market, on every single bank, exchange office, etc. You don't have that kind of information. The volume that you see in Metatrader 4 platform, I will just add here indicator, I will just add a volume. If you add this volume, you can see little bit higher volume when the market, pre-market open, free market, for example, I just show you like this. So you can see that during the open London session and during the open of the US session, we have a bigger volume, for example, but we don't know the numbers exactly. And the biggest problem is that volume is a function of the price when we use that in Metatrader and CFDs. And if we use stocks, it's a little bit different, because for stocks, this kind of information is more how much stocks were sold or purchased on the market, and I think that VWAP can be used majorly for stocks much better than using for Forex pair. However, it's an interesting indicator that you can use in regular trading. For example, I like to use as a bullish bearish validation point, as you know, moving average 50. I will just put that on the chart. Take, for example, I will take a blue color like this, and as you can see, moving average 50 for me is a little bit better than VWAP when I want to show the good bearish bullish validation point. For example, right now we can use this information that below 312, below 313, we are bearish, above we are bullish, example. And VWAP is not so good because as you can see, it's some kind of medium price, something in the middle, and very often we are going above or below this indicator. So there's no weight for in my personal opinion. However, if you think differently, you can just tell in channel, you can give a comment, there's no problem. My opinion is a little bit different. However, you can use this moving average as any other moving average, and it's It's good because sometimes you can use this information when you have a huge volume, especially during the US session and the London session. So you can try, you can test. This indicator is free. You can just download and change. You can change, and for example, in this indicator, I will just show you right now, VWAP. As you can see here, you can change the period. Right now is at 24. You can put, because I'm using on 1 hour chart, for example. If you use a different chart, you can change this major period. The catch here is this: when you trade the stocks, the market begins when the US session open, and you don't have a trading 24 or 12 hours or more before that. When you trade Forex, you have the 24 hours market. So I think that this period should be larger than when you trade stocks, because you need to catch the average price. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.